President Uhuru Kenyatta and Deputy President William Ruto will not have to be physically present at the ongoing trials at the International Criminal Court.
Well, this development coming in late last evening after the Assembly of State Parties approved two key proposals to amend sections of the Rome statute that will have direct implications on their ongoing cases. Take a look.
After a week of intense diplomatic lobbying, President Uhuru Kenyatta and Deputy President William Ruto can now breathe easy. Through an adopted amendment to the International Criminal Court's rules of procedure, the two can now perform their state duties even as their trials continue at The Hague. The amendment to Article 134 cut them loose from physically attending their hearings, the first and perhaps most significant victory for the two leaders against the Hague-based court.
All that we came to achieve at this Assembly of State Parties, we have achieved. Everything that we sought to achieve, we have achieved.
But this is just a small concession for the Kenyan delegation, who have their eye on a bigger prize. The plan was and still is to get both the president and his deputy not only excused, but also get immunity from prosecution. As it stands, Kenya has submitted notice for a special sitting at the ASP to consider this proposal as tabled by the African Union.
We have also been able to notify the Secretary General of our intention to amend Article 27 of the statute. That can only be done at the next session of the Assembly of State Parties.
All rise, veuillez vous lever.
What will also wait is the implementation of Rule 68. State parties adopted an amendment that now allows previously recorded statements from witnesses to be presented as evidence. The Kenyan delegation, who were vehemently opposed to this amendment, were forced to play ball, although a caveat was later introduced that will see ongoing cases unaffected by this rule. The decisions from Tuesday evening will significantly alter the backdrop of the cases. The president and his deputy can, for starters, apply afresh to be excused from trial pursuant to the amendment. But the delegation has made it clear it is still playing for gold and hope the two will not have to go through trial altogether. Edith Kimani, KTN.